guys, welcome to Health is My Passion. In this video I am going to show you how I go from this to this. I'm ready to go, guys. So thank you guys for joining me today. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into it. So right now my hair is it's like 2 days old right now. Okay, since my last wash day. So right now I am going to show you how I curl my hair, how I get it to be, how I define my curls. Okay, so because my hair is already dry, what I do is I start off by kind of like sectioning off the area that I'm going to work on first. And this is going to be the first area. And I have my water, so I'm going to just dampen my hair. Get it a little damp, the water. And then I'm going to go in with my moisture lock. So after my hair is moistened, then I just go through. I'm going to add a little moisture lock to my hair. And this is not a sponsored video, so I use a little bit of moisture lock, and I'll show you how much I use. And then after I've used the moisture lock, I go in with my heat and humidity gel, and I just use a very little bit. See if you guys can see that. Very little bit of gel. Okay, and I just disperse it all over my hair. It's very simple. And then what I like to do, I like to go through first with a comb. Makes it easier for me to go through with the brush after I've gone through with the comb. And I get my Denman brush and I just brush my hair through the Denman brush. And the key with the Denman brush I've found is you just gotta pull it straight through. Pull your hair straight through and then let go. And look at that, guys. Curls. My curls are defined, looking beautiful. And then I'm gonna go through. I've done one section, and as you can see, it's pretty quick and easy. And that left section is done. Then I'm just going with the back middle section, and I do repeat the same thing. Dampen my hair, dampen it. I don't want to make it too wet, just slightly damp. Once my hair is dampened, then I go through again with the comb. So the main part that I like to make sure is really damp is like the ends of my hair. So if it's cold weather season and you're doing this, you don't have to worry about your hair being like soaking wet, because you aren't really wetting up the root area, you're just slightly dampening it, and the ends you can make a little bit more damp. And then I'm going to go in with my moisture lock. And again, this is not a sponsored video, so I'm not really calling the name of the product that I'm using. So again, I'm going to go through with my comb, and I am using a large tooth comb, guys. Very large tooth comb. Pulls less on my hair, and it helps me to comb through my hair easier and cause me to not lose my hair when combing through it. Because you can see I do have very curly hair. So now I'm going to go with my gel, with my heat humidity gel. And as you can notice, I concentrate mostly at the ends. I do get the humidity lock gel, the heat humidity gel all throughout my hair, but I concentrate mostly at the ends because that's the area that you want all of it to be curled, but the ends, you really want the curls to be defined at the ends. Now I'm going to go through with my Denman brush again. And don't mind my brush, guys. Go through with it. You can see I focus on the ends a lot. Some parts of my hair tend to be a little longer at the back. So definitely want to get that really curled. Again, with the Denman brush, I'm just pulling through to get that curl defined. As you can see, if it's not dampened enough, you got to go through it a little bit more to get it really defined. And I don't want my hair to be too damp today. You see? It looks so nice. What do you guys think so far? Guys, comment below. What do you think of this product and my method of defining my curls? So right now I'm just going to leave the front right side. Just going to twist it a little bit and then work on the right back right now. And again, I'm going to moisten my hair. I'm going to dampen it a little, focusing at the ends. And focuses at the ends. I'm going to focus at the roots, but mainly at the ends. Get my hair really moist. I'm going to go with the little bit of the moisture lock. Show you guys how much of the moisture lock I use. Just less than a dime size. So I'm getting a little bit of my, and then after I use the moisture lock, I'm going to go with the gel. And guys, again, for a little bit of gel. Just going to go through. As you can see, I have a full head of hair. So I am doing it in sections because it's easier to do it that way. I just come through with my comb to make it easier, and I go through with the Denman brush. You see the curls are getting defined. You guys see that? Already. Let's go through. And the more you comb through with the Denman brush, the more the curls get defined. I just want to really, really defined. Let's see. It's very defined. That part of my hair is well defined. Now I'm going to go with the right side. going with the Moisture Lock leave-in conditioner. And then I'm going to go with the humidity gel. And again guys, I focus mostly at the ends with the humidity gel, because I definitely want to get the ends very well defined. Let's see, well defined. And that's it. My hair is done. That literally took, let's see, took less than 15 minutes to finish my hair. And then what I like to do, I like to get my baby hair done. So I can also use the humidity gel to do my baby hair. And I just use like an old toothbrush, a toothbrush that I don't use to brush my teeth, to do my baby hair. Just gonna neaten up my baby hair. And that took like about 10 minutes. It took less than 15 minutes to complete my hair. It took like 10 minutes to do that. And that's it guys. My hair is all done. What do you guys think? Do comment below. Got my baby hair done. And I'm ready to go guys. So thank you guys for joining me today. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.